It's already afternoon and we're shouting good morning. These guys are crazy. Especially the first timers. Who are the first timers here? Can I see a raise of hands? First timers. First time was so me. Okay? Okay, it's my first time also to see you. See you guys. We're all first timers here. Actually, this is a very special seminar for me because this will be my very, very first official seminar here in Africa. Okay? And I'm so nervous. My hands are shaking. I'm so nervous. Why I look nervous? You know, my nervous goes down when people clap hands for me. I'm still nervous. I'm still nervous. Guys, before anything else, I would like to welcome you by my story of being involved in Alliance and Motion Global. Is it okay? If I tell you my story, is it okay? 6 years ago, I was a student. Okay? Are there any audience here who are also students like me? Students. Okay, 1, okay, 2, 3. How about employees working? Who are working? Okay. How about businessmen? And others who didn't raise their hands? Actors. Okay. Anyway, guys, 6 years ago, I was a working student. And I wake up very early. Can you please close the, what do you call that? Stand the spotlight. The overhead projector. Okay? 6 years ago, I woke up very early, and I worked for 8 hours. Then after that, I do evening schooling in the Philippines. That's for part-timers like me. Because I had financial crisis 6 years ago because my family who invested in a lot of things. You know, even if you have a big retirement pay, if you will not invest it in the right investment.
That's right.
Do you agree? When you have big money in the bank, if you invest in the right investment, you know, your money might flop. So, you know, if someone tells me where am I graduate, what school did I graduate? I'm graduating with UE. I graduated with UE. It's the greatest university all over the world. University of experience. I've experienced a lot. Okay, I've been working since when I was still very young. I was 6 years old at that time. And I have to work for my own schooling. It's very hard for me. But you know, I believe that everything that happens to us has a good reason. Agree?
Yes, right.
So if something bad is happening for you right now, I know God is preparing you for another breakthrough of your life. Amen? Okay, please clap your hands for that. Now, what happened is someone very close to me invited me to attend the seminar, like you. You were invited also, right?
Yes.
Who were just passing by here, planning to buy a load. And he was surprised that he's here already. Of course, someone invited you. Okay? And maybe some of you your sponsor very persistent, texting you every day, calling you every minute, right? Okay? So, you've given yourself the opportunity to attend the seminar. But you know, 6 years ago, I always tell my sponsor, the one who invited me, hey, I have no time for seminars. It's 6 p.m. already. I'm supposed to go to school. I'm very, very tired already. But you know, my sponsor is very persistent. She invited me 6 times personally. 6 times. But I always reject her. But she told me a magic word. That's why I attended the seminar. Do you want to know the magic word?
Yes.
She told me, come on, let's go to the seminar. It's a 1-hour trip. I live in the Philippines, a 1-hour trip. Las Piñas to a city. 1-hour traffic, etc. So it's very tiring, but I was motivated to go because she told me, come on, let's go. Where are we going? Bonnie Avenue. That is the very first office of Global in the Philippines. What's in there? There's a birthday party. And at that time, I was very hungry. And my stomach told me, come on, let's go. So I went with her to the office, then there it goes. Stay set up, a seminar room, much more larger than this one, twice as big. A lot of people also, like you. A lot of people, different kinds of people. They are excited. But when they came in, I told my sponsor, where's the spaghetti? Where's the food? I just saw a whiteboard. And the speaker is very excited. The speaker is saying, who wants to grow rich? Who wants to live young? Who wants to live longer? What is this? Is this a party? Or another religion? You know, but I have no choice. I cannot go home because I have no money to go home. And I'm very hungry. I'm just praying that I wish she will treat me for dinner after attending. But you know, the rest was history. Okay? I feel I was kidnapped. Okay? But not all kidnappers are bad. Okay? Is someone kidnapped here also? Doesn't know? Someone here doesn't know why he or she is here? Have no idea? Okay, you all have ideas, right? We're here to talk business. Right? This is business. Okay, when we talk about business, we talk about fortune. Do you agree? When people talk about business, people get rich. Do you agree? Because the only thing or the best thing to get rich legitimately or reciprocally is to do business. Do you agree? People, money is in business. In every country, businessmen are those who are rich. Because nowadays, it's not how much you earn. It's how much you save. Right? But not really. Is it really that true? Why? It's not how much you save nowadays also, but how much you invest. Agree? Where do you invest your money? That's good. Do you invest your money for health? Because even if you have millions of naira in the bank, but you have very poor health, you will not enjoy your money. Thanks to A Global, we've discovered another product. And you know, the product hasn't arrived yet. Can you see the great opportunity for you right now? The product hasn't arrived yet, and yet you are here. Meaning you are one of the very, very pioneers of Alliance Emotion Global in Nigeria. And you know, products, even if it hasn't arrived yet here, the products are already proven in a lot of countries. Okay? We have big networks in Hawaii, we have big networks in Singapore, especially in the Philippines. A lot of people, millions of people have been healed because of the product. And you know what's the story? Why we open here in Nigeria? It's divine appointment. Why? Because you know, I have a friend, his name is Junamon. Can you raise your hand?
I did already.
You already? Okay. Please come first for Junamon. He's one of the main reasons why a businessman here discovered about A Global. Okay? So, you know, it's not an accident that we are here. What I'm going to ask you is this. I'll give my best for the presentation. I'm not here to convince you. I'll just share to you the opportunity. It's you yourself who will convince yourself. It's your decision. We are all intelligent people here. Agree? And, you know, guys, I'll just ask you to open your mind. Because even how great the opportunity is, if your mind is closed, you will not benefit from it. Do you believe in that? Yes. Because if you will study the whole world, successful people, okay, the basis of success is not just hard work. Because if hard work is the only basis of success, I'm talking about financial success here.